First, we'll discuss about like Kafka, what is Kafka, and how we can configure Kafka in Confluent Cloud, how the easiest way, so how to optimize the process of ingesting the data from the source to target. And once the data in Azure Databricks, what is the architecture we are using actually in this Databricks? It's not something like we are ingesting and loading, but we're following the architecture, like different types of discussion about like Medallion architecture. What about the singleplex or multiplex architectures? So let's go step by step and discuss the topic wise. So first, let's start about Kafka. That's actually the ingestion, the source thing, right? Let's start about the Kafka thing. So on the Kafka side, let's discuss about like the introduction part about like what is Kafka and why, what are the advantages, how we can configure the Kafka. There are multiple ways we can configure the Kafka. First, coming to the Kafka. So Kafka is actually open source platform. It is a open source platform. It's a open source event streaming platform. You can call streaming platform. So which is nothing but it is going to handle the real-time data feeds. So this is actually developed by the LinkedIn originally, and later it is donated to the Apache Foundation. So what are the main thing advantage of the Kafka is it can send very high throughput, like millions of records. It is going to send within a seconds. So and the fault tolerance, like we have replications and everything. We have a multiple broker systems. We're going to discuss about like what are the components and features. So and the main concept here is it is going distributed messaging system.